Hi, today we are going to discuss about .NET Core framework, especially the new version .NET Core 6. I'm planning to add more videos on .NET Core 6 I'm going to teach you console application, web application and web APIs. So I will start with the console application first. So let's get started. I hope you have installed the Visual Studio in your system, the latest Visual Studio 2022. And let's dive into our learning section. So first of all, we can go to the official documentation of the .NET Core. So this is the documentation I will be following up this course. You can also have a take look at, and yeah, Microsoft has done a decent job in providing the documentation. So yeah, let's get started. I will keep this aside and I will open up the Visual Studio. So this is Visual Studio 2022. Um, Before entering into our Visual Studio, we have to check that our system has the .NET framework. So for doing that, open up your command prompt and enter .NET ---- version. So this will give you the .NET version installed in your system. So this is, as you can see here, this is 6, the latest version has been installed. If you are not getting this value, you have to download it from the official documentation, official site of Microsoft. So since my system is ready to go, we can start our project. So this is a Visual Studio. I will create a new project. As you can see, there are a lot of things happening over here. So I'm going to search console app. This is a console app, and it is popping up with a different set of list. So you can see console app, .NET framework and .NET. So I'm going to select this one because this is the .NET Core and this is our normal conventional .NET framework, and we are sticking with the language C#. So we don't want this. This is VB. So this is a console app. I'm going to create it, and I will be selecting a folder, like choosing this folder. I will be choosing this folder and throughout my video series. So this is my location. So I'm going to select the next, and this is the next page. You can see the .NET 6 long time support is provided. So this is the page. Once we press the create button, we will get this project. So let us have a look in the project. What are the project? So this is more concise than other .NET projects. You can see only program class here and little bit different than the usual one, because we used to have a class file here, but we are missing that. So what happened here is like in .NET 6 it is easy to manage or easy to study things, because for a fresher first it was very difficult, like learning all the things like class, object and all these things. Then only he is able to write code in .NET. But with the help of .NET 6 we can start from line 1. This is console.writeline. You can see here, and if I press reply button here, like build, you can see the output itself. Just one line of code. See, this is the output. So that's much simple is our .NET Core 6. We don't need any class to build our project. So it's saying that I will show you another project. It should be the old one. So let select a new project. For this time I'm going to select another console app. I'm going to search console again, and we will get, instead of first one I am going to select this one. So I'm going to name it as app 2. I will be keeping my location same. Yeah, this is our project. As you can see, we have two projects. First one is .NET Core latest version 6, and the second one .NET Core, .NET Framework, the old one. Here you can see the difference. This is our old fashioned way, like class and static. But whatever things we need in, we learned in the .NET framework is also applicable in the .NET 6 also. So we can write a class here also. If you want, we can delete this one and we can create a new class, and we can continue what we learned so far from the C++ and all stuff. So I am going to create a class. This is the program. And if we press SVM and tab, we will get static code. So this will also work. And another thing is we are missing the app config file. This is .NET file, .NET framework, and we can see the XML file here. But in the case of .NET Core, we don't have that XML file. So these are the main differences in the console app. So we can write a program here to print a hello world, and we can wind up this video. So let's write console, right? This will print you a message on your screen. So I'm going to compile it. We will get a hello. That's all. Thank you.